Getting paid completing surveys online is one of the most popular ways people use to make money online. That's why in today's video I'll show you multiple free sources that pay you in PayPal money to do so. In order to get the desired results, make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video. Just before I start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel Aidenemia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like this ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. Also, if you like this type of content, just give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. So without any further ado, I'm going to begin with today's video so I can show you everything. As I said before, I'm going to give you multiple sources. So the very first one is this one here called Inbox Dollars. This is over at inboxdollars.com. You can be rewarded for watching videos, taking surveys, just like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, shopping and cash offers. They offer you $5 sign-up bonus, so you can just put your email address over here, a password, confirm the password, and click on the Sign Me Up button. After that, you're going to see that it works like this. Brands pay them for consumer input, so they recruit members just like you to do some online activities, including paid surveys, paid videos, redeeming free food and grocery coupons, paid shopping, and more. You can earn cash, not points. So let's see the other ways that you can earn cash as well. For example, if you want to just take online surveys, you're going to see that you can get paid from 50 cents up to $5, and it's going to take you 3 minutes up to 25 minutes. But there are also some surveys that pay you even more, $10, $20, or even more, as you can see if you match the demographic profile they are looking for. You can watch video because a big brands company want consumer to watch their content, like movie trailers, new product features, and so on. So there are some cool online videos to watch for you. You have also this other feature over here. You can get rewarded for playing games. They offer you a variety of games that you can just play, have fun, and get paid. They offer you cash back for online shopping. You can get paid also to read emails, and you have some coupon cash rewards that you can get, and you can get access to free coupons for groceries, home beauty, and more. And you can use those coupons to save money on your everyday purchases while also earning cash back in your account. They've paid more than $80 million in cash rewards, which is pretty crazy actually. And also you can go over to Trustpilot to check out the reviews. You're going to notice that they have 4.1 stars from more than 30,000 of reviews. And according to Trustpilot, this is a verified company. So once again, this is a legit platform. They have some partners over here from Netflix, Target, Walmart, and so on. And also they have been around since 2000. So it shows that they have been around for 22 years now. And this is a legit platform that is going to get you paid just like it's doing with the other members. So as you can see, they offer you as rewards PayPal cash and also gift cards. So PayPal is available just like I promised you at the beginning of this video, and they do offer an app on App Store and Google Play Store. And you can see that over at Google Play Store they got more than 5 million of downloads, which shows that it is a very popular platform, and also 3.9 stars from more than 100,000 of reviews, while over at App Store they got like more than 150,000 of ratings with 4.5 stars, which is a lot more than over at Google Play Store. So this was over at inboxdollars.com. It was the first platform for today, and I want to mention that unfortunately this one is only available in the US. But if you are from another country, of course you can proceed and see the other sources that I'm going to give you today. So the second one is over at GreatPoints.com. You can get free gift cards but also cash by watching TV, answering surveys, and completing offers. You can join for absolutely free by just putting your email address over here, a password, confirm the password, click the sign up now button, or you can even sign up with your Facebook account or Google account because it is a lot faster and easier. This platform works pretty much in the same way as the previous platform. You're going to see that advertisers pay GreatPoints for engagement, and GreatPoints is going to recruit members just like you to do some online activities, including watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and many more tasks as well. And you're going to earn free gift cards and also PayPal cash, just like I said before. You have all of the rewards over here. You can click on view all to see gift cards and cash. As you can see, PayPal is available. So You can also check out the live feed of people getting paid in real time from anywhere in the world and also getting their preferred rewards. You have people from Canada, Ireland, Brazil, Netherlands, and so on. And this is refreshing every single second and minute. You're going to see over the reviews over on Trustpilot. They got almost 2,000 of reviews with 4.8 stars out of 5, which is pretty awesome because it shows that most of the people have rated it as excellent. So once again, this is GreatPoints.com. They've been around since 2012, so they've been around for 10 years now, and it shows that this is a legit platform that is going to get you paid. You can just start for absolutely free right here. So I'm going to proceed right now to the third platform, which is also the last one. This is over at Picoworkers.com. This is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with some easy to do affordable tasks. As a freelancer, here's what you're going to do. You have some micro jobs. You can just deliver work in minutes and get paid. You can see that these micro jobs are small, easy tasks that require little time to complete. For example, you can test an app, you can do data collection, you can help promote content, and so on. And once your work is going to be reviewed, you're going to get paid. You don't need to wait. So they offer surveys as well and offers. So even this one pays you to complete some surveys, which is the main focus today. You can of course do the other tasks as well for each of these platforms to make the most money. And you're going to notice how it works. You can go over to the paid survey tab, choose a survey, answer some questions, and get paid. Easy as that. You can even become an influencer and promote some products. And also you can post some gigs so people can hire you to do some tasks for them. You're going to see that you can create gigs to open new opportunities for you. And in order to be able to post new gigs, you need to get an advanced level actually. And you can do that by only earning some points by successfully completing surveys, offers, and micro jobs. So only advanced level workers may post gigs. So it means that it depends also on you on how much time and effort you are going to put on this in order to get the desired results. And if you scroll down, you're going to see that they offer an affiliate program, so you can get 5% of commission by promoting Picoworkers to other people as well. And it means that you can make money, passive income, and maximize your results. Down here you have this freelancer section. I want you to click on it because you're going to see payment proofs over here. So you're going to notice people from all around the world getting paid with their preferred payment method, which includes PayPal, AirTM, Litecoin, and so on, even Skrill. And you're going to notice that making a lot of money actually. This person here has made almost $1,000. This one here $1,500, and so on and so forth. You can check the payment proofs by yourself, and they are refreshing every single time. So you're going to find the sign up button in the upper right corner. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. Just give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching.